Welcome to Appesco. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize Appesco to your own preferences, including your dashboard and how you view data across different modules. The dashboard is fully customizable. You can rearrange widgets, control how many appear per row, add or remove the ones you don't use, and adjust the order to suit your workflow. To get started, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. A new window will open showing all the widgets currently on your main page. Before saving anything, you can use the preview button to see how your changes will look before they go live. And don't worry, you can always come back, make further adjustments, or revert to the workspace default at any point in time. One thing worth noting, if you are an administrator, you have the option to save your dashboard configuration for everyone in the workspace. This means all users will see the dashboard you've set up. To do this, simply click Save for Everyone. However, keep in mind that if an individual user makes their own changes, their personal preferences will take priority. Any future global changes made by admins will not override what they've set. If a user wants to go back to the admin configured dashboard, they can click Remove from My Dashboard and the workspace default will be restored. In summary, every change can be saved just for yourself or for everyone in the workspace if you have an admin role. Now let's walk through how to actually make changes. On the left side of the customization window, you'll find a menu with all the available widgets. Simply drag and drop any widget from the left to the right to add it to your dashboard. You can then rearrange them in any order you like. To resize a widget, use the resize icon in the bottom right corner of each one. You can also choose how many columns you'd like displayed on screen. Just keep in mind that on mobile, the dashboard will always display in a single column, regardless of your setting. Once you're happy with your layout, click Preview to double check how everything looks and then save your changes. Beyond the dashboard, you can also customize how data is displayed in every module across Appesco. The same approach applies everywhere. Let's use contracts in the contract lifecycle module as an example. Next to the module title, you'll find the same gear icon. Click it to open the customization window. On the left side, you'll see all the elements available to customize for that module. As you make changes, a preview on the right shows you exactly how the layout will look. From here, you can add or remove fields, change the order fields appear in, add sections to group related information, add custom fields specific to your business needs. The same save principles apply here as with the dashboard. You can save changes just for yourself or for everyone in the workspace if you had admin access. Take your time exploring the customization options. If you're happy with the default layout, you can leave it as it is. And at any point, if you'd like to go back to the original design, you can restore the default with a single click. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.